Hey, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and as you can see, I've got a really cool Blazer. This is a 1971 Chevrolet Blazer, and you might be saying, Chris, it's not a 71, it's a 67 front end on that. Well, they converted the front end of this truck and put that 67 front end, which I really, really like. I like the painted grille and the slanted hood, but this one's gone through a full restoration. It's got a really nice frame underneath it. It's got some really nice Riddler wheels. It's got a 5.3 LS motor with a 4-speed automatic transmission, custom TMI interior, and a ton of other things that we're going to be going over in this video. But we'll start up front here. As we look at the hood here and the grille and the bumper, everything is in excellent condition. Your chrome is in great condition. Even your headlight buckets here are really, really nice and great condition. I'm not seeing any kind of rock chips, scratches, dents, or anything up here on the front. You know, typically you would see some sort of rock chips or something, but this one's in excellent condition and looks fantastic. The hood fits really nicely. The gaps are even all the way down on both sides here. As we work our way around the front fender here, it's in great condition. Your body line's nice and even, matches up nicely with the hood. The hood sits nice and flush with the fender. Looks really, really nice. You got a 20-inch Riddler wheel up here that looks really nice with disc brakes. Your trim here around the fender and the wheel well looks really nice. You can tell it's new. As we look at the door here, you can tell that your door handle has been shaved. Also, the top of the door has also been shaved and smoothed, and it looks really nice. Even the front windshield here has all been shaved and smoothed where the top used to mount. Looks great. All your trim here and weather stripping around the window is new. The glass is in great condition. No rock chips, scratches, or anything like that. As we look at the door is in excellent condition. All your trim here running down the side of the truck is in excellent condition. Your body line is nice and even all the way down on both sides. You can definitely tell somebody took some time doing the paint work and the alignment on all the panels here. We'll go ahead and just open up the door. You just reach in here, grab the handle. Opens up really nicely. I always like to do this to show you that the doors shut nice and smooth. No sagging doors on this one. As we look at the rear quarter here, it's in excellent condition. Once again, all the trim is in really good condition. It looks really nice. You can tell it's new. Your marker light's new here. The wheels are new. Tires are in great condition, plenty of tread. You do have disc brakes in the rear, which was an upgrade on this truck, which is also really nice. Got a really nice chrome tip out back here as well. You got them on both sides, so dual exhaust sounds fantastic coming from that 5.3 LS up front. As we look at the rear of the Blazer, you've got that tailgate. It's in excellent condition. Your tail lights are LED, which are really nice. Bumper's in great condition. All the paint back here looks really, really nice. We'll open the tailgate. Even the paint on the backside of the tailgate's in excellent condition. You got a nice little piece of carpet back here. This truck does not have the back seat, but in my opinion, that makes it kind of cool. You go to a cruise-in, you got a nice little pit bike or some sort of like custom go-kart or a drift trike. You could put it in the back, or you could have one custom made to match the truck. Just gives it a really cool upgrade that you could do to the truck and make it even more of a show truck. But overall, fantastic condition on the paint and body. No flaws that I've seen. But we're going to wrap up the exterior of this review and move our way to the engine bay so I can show you the 5.3 under the hood. All right, guys, let's check out the 5.3 liter LS style motor underneath the hood here. First thing you're going to notice is all the custom paint work. Firewall's been shaved and painted and looks really nice. You got some custom painted tubs. You've got a nice battery cover here that covers up the battery that's painted and looks really nice. Custom radiator shroud here as well. Looks really good. You do have power disc brakes on this. But overall, just a factory style 5.3 LS, no big cam, no crazy work done to it. Keeps it simple, makes the drivability really nice on this. But overall, a very clean engine bay, looks really nice. Like I said, painting all the hinges and everything just gives it a really clean look. But overall, very, very cool looking engine bay. Definitely something you can be proud to pop your hood at a car show or cruise in. But guys, we're gonna wrap this up and work to the interior. All right, let's check out the interior. The first thing that I notice when I look into the interior of this truck is not only how clean it is, but are these awesome TMI bucket seats. They've got red stitching here, which is really nice. Some suede here on the bolstering of the seat to keep you planted in the seat, keep you from sliding around. Then you also have these black metal rings here that go down the seat with the red suede on the inside. It just accents very well with the red on the truck and the little bit of black that's in the interior. The door panels are in really good condition. Door handle's nice and functions like it should. You've got a nice set of kicker 5-inch speakers there into the door. You've got an upgraded retro sound stereo. You also have these Omega gauges that are really nice, upgraded gauges. Nice red steering column, black style OEM steering wheel. You've got the console in here as well, and all brand new black carpet. But overall, a very clean interior. This is a really nice truck. But let's get to my favorite part, and let's go take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the Blazer, and so far this thing is so cool. It's cool to have the open air blowing in your hair. Really nice driving truck. Suspension feels really good. I'm not hearing any rattles or creaks or anything like that. Steering feels nice. It's nice and tight, so it's not all sloppy or loose. All the gauges are working like they should. Got the nice retro sound radio with the kicker speakers in the door panel. But overall, a fantastic driving truck, guys. If you're interested in this Blazer, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Justin or me. My name is Chris again, and we can help you with shipping, financing, anything you need to do to park this dream Blazer in your driveway. But guys, we're gonna wrap up this video, so we'll catch you on the next one.